Hello lovelies, you are all welcome to the delicious kitchen. Guys, I brought you something yummy easy. You are just going to love this. This is shepherd's pie but with African touch. This is a little bit different from the normal one. You just need to try this. If you have tried the other one, try this one. You will love it. So let's get it started. That is my peeled and washed and diced potatoes. All I need to do now is just to add some water into it and salt as well. And after that, just add a little bit salt. Now cover it and bring it to boil. That is one side. Now let's move on. Just add some oil. You can use, I'll be using olive oil. 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil into a pot, and I've added my minced meat. I'm using beef. You can use lamb, you can use chicken. I'll be using range minced meat today. Now just try to break it, so that it won't be gummed together. You just have to break it. They have to, be really separated from one another. After that, add your onion. I've diced it. Now I'm adding the diced garlic as well into it. So guys, after this, mix thoroughly and fry for just 2 minutes. Okay, so after that, now it's now time to add all the ingredients. I've added thyme. Now I'm adding rosemary into it, curry, Cameroon pepper. This is one of the unusual ingredients. Just a bit of it. Chili powder that spices feelings, Now add some salt into it to your taste. Okay. Now let's add our seasoning cube. This is also not regular, just a cube of your own seasoning into it. Now mix thoroughly and cook for 3 minutes. Okay. Just stir fry like that for 3 minutes. So after that, move on. I'll be adding now my carrot into it. That is diced carrot. My bell pepper, it's also diced. Okay, and you have to fry this for 2 minutes. Everything together, just fry it together. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Kindly subscribe, like, okay, and share if you can. If you like what you're watching, God bless you for doing so. And I'll be adding a bit of balsamic there. Guys, that's not regular. Try it, you'll thank me later. And that's now my tomato puree. I've just added tomato puree into it now. Just give it a good stir, combine everything together, and now simmer for 5 minutes. So let's check our potatoes. Check it. Super. This is perfectly boiled. Now it's ready. If you have excess water in it, just drain it. Yeah, drain the water and mash it. So after that, I'll be adding black pepper and some seasoning mixture. Seasoning mixture, it's optional. You can add butter if you like. You can also add egg into it, the yellow one in the middle, the yolk. Now it's now time to add your cheddar cheese. After adding the cheddar cheese, now mix everything together. Now get our well-prepared mixture of this minced meat. Pour into the baking tray or baking glass you'll be using. After that, spread it well and now pour the puree onto it, the potato puree onto it, and then you spread it very well. Okay, spread it, let it cover the top. And this is optional. Now topping it with some shredded cheese, just shredded cheese on it. Yeah, it's optional. Now it's time to bake in a preheated oven, 200 centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. Tra-la-la. This is how it came out, guys. This is how it came out. Yummy. Let's just let it cool down a bit, and then you can go ahead and serve it. yeah, it's now time to taste it. Do you also have your spoon there or your fork? Let's taste this yummy shepherd's pie with African touch. This is delicious. This is delicious, guys. This is how the story ends. After 15 minutes, they rushed it, guys. It's almost finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.